back to our website, the Planting World Records. Remember how last time I told you how to be a player? Well, you might have been saying to yourself, Asriel, what if I don't want to be a player? What if I want to be a captain? What if I want to be a captain? You didn't tell me. Well, now I'm going to tell you here. So, first we log in, sign up. Okay, so sign up, first name, then your email. You'll get an email later with your temporary password. And you should probably change it to a password you don't remember in an avatar. So that way it just makes it easier for us on sorting out who's who, especially with groups on big teams. So my account, we go to avatar, select file, browse, or take a picture, password, we'll get the password, new password, confirm password, and then change the password. So we'll show you how to be a captain. So first of all, you go to create a team, where all dreams start. So you fill in all your information, and then you can register a planting event. And you put in all your information here, and then you have to go to plant a tree, and let's just do this one, because I made this. So we go to register our trees, so the Luia, I said that correct. We go to this one file right here of trees. We select Save Trees. We wait for this to load. Load. I said load. Now we press Upload All Trees. Yes, we are done finishing. Okay, so now as you can see, we have Azra uploaded 3 trees. You might save yourself right now. I thought you only uploaded 1. These are just from retakes. Camillo uploaded 1 tree, and the reason why it's green is because he accepted and posted a tree. Audrey is invited, hasn't accepted or posted any trees. That's why this is gray. They have accepted and haven't posted any trees. Their icon will be red. So let's just say, oh hey, everyone's done planting, putting their things. Well, first, before you post, you have to load a group image. Then you can press post. But let's just say, hey no, this person hasn't uploaded. Well then, you must send them an email. So first, let's say, hey you, why you not plant trees and post? Huh? Well, I'm going to say I'm not going to press send. But yeah, you can do that. So you can press post, and it will go off to the main screen right here, and hopefully you will have planted a lot of trees. This is a tutorial on how to become a team captain.